Microsoft 365 Family has become a cornerstone in not only my life, but my entire family's as well. With the ability to share the subscription with up to 5 other people across 5 of their devices, not only am I getting the most out of the entire suite of software, but so is my wife, my daughter, my mum, my dad, and my sister. OneDrive gives us the ability to not only back up our computers, but also to protect all those memories that we take on our mobile phones, regardless of whether you're using a device that runs iOS, Android, Mac, or Windows. One of my wife and I's favourite things to do each and every day is to check out the memories that OneDrive reminds us about. It's really special taking a trip down memory lane to see what my daughter was doing and even looked like on this day a year ago. The premium Office applications that you get as part of Microsoft 365 are not the same as yesteryear. Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are packed full of premium AI features, templates, and fantastic stock material that you can use to be more efficient than ever before. In fact, the other day, I created an entire PowerPoint outline on my mobile phone in less than 10 minutes, saving me time so that I can put that time back into what actually matters to me. What a lot of people don't realize is that Microsoft 365 is constantly having new services and features added. One of the features that was added in the last few years is Microsoft Family Safety. Family Safety allows me to monitor and curate the content that my little one is exposed to on a day-to-day basis. It also lets me check where my loved ones are at any given time. This is incredibly important to me because unfortunately my mum is no longer at the peak of her health. So I get notifications when she leaves home and when she comes back. I even get notifications for when she arrives at certain areas, like when she gets to her exercise group, giving me peace of mind that if anything were to happen, I know exactly where she is and how to get her help. Another recent addition to Microsoft 365 is that of Microsoft Editor. Microsoft Editor is built into all the premium Office applications, but it's actually available as an extension in Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. It will check your formality, your conciseness, your grammar, and your spelling, and actually offer rewrite suggestions to make sure that what you're saying or typing is as clear as possible. Microsoft 365 has even had a security service introduced called Microsoft Defender. Defender enables you to monitor not only the status of your devices, but the devices of your entire family, meaning that you can get ahead of any security risks that they might become exposed to. Even better, it'll monitor the identity information that you have out there in the world and let you know when that information is compromised. To make things even better, Microsoft Defender will work alongside security services that you already use, meaning that it complements that service rather than competing with it, keeping your devices running as smooth as possible. Finally, we have Clipchan, a brand new piece of software to Microsoft 365. Clipchan enables you to edit and create videos in an incredibly easy to use environment, meaning that even if you're new to that experience, you can look like a pro. It's packed full of templates and stock materials to make sure that your creations come to life the way you want them to. The fact that not only you, but 5 other people get everything I've just talked about and even more means that Microsoft 365 Family is packed full of insane value, helping you bring your creations to life, be more efficient, and protect your memories and loved ones.